Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video we will see how to download and install PuTTY software. So let's get started. For this you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar you need to enter PuTTY download. You'll get this first link, select it. Over here the installer is available for 64-bit, 64-bit ARM and 32-bit. Okay, so we are going to download for 64-bit. We'll select the first link. Once it is downloaded, you need to click on open. I will minimize this web browser, then click on next. You can change the default installation location if you want, then click on next, click on install and click on finish. This is going to open readme file. Okay, about the software you can read it. I'll close this. Okay, now to launch the PuTTY you can click on search and you can enter PuTTY. Okay, this is the icon, click on open. That's how the interface look. Okay, so PuTTY is basically used like remote access and manage computers or servers over a network. Okay, you can also manage remote systems from a Windows computer. You can transfer commands and files between computers, and also it supports protocols such as SSH, Telnet, Serial, and RLogin. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.